53 years ago, a nation began its journey. A journey like no other. A journey built on dreams, ambition, and the unwavering belief that the future would be one of progress, prosperity, and sustainability. From humble beginnings, the United Arab Emirates flourished, transforming into a beacon of innovation and hope. A vision nurtured by wise leadership. A leadership that understood that the key to a prosperous future was in the power of education. Our leadership founded Leams to support that vision. A beacon of hope, supporting the vision of a nation that would rise to global prominence. Our mission was clear: to provide education that nurtures curiosity, empowers minds, and shapes the leaders of tomorrow. From the early days to now, from the first classroom to a community that spans across the UAE, Leams Education Group remains steadfast in its mission to guide young minds toward excellence. As the UAE moves forward, so do we. Together we continue the journey. Together we shape a sustainable future. Because at Leams we don't just teach, we inspire, we build, and we grow.